Hello, dear friends. This is Phone Support Channel. Before you start watching this video, please subscribe to the channel and give it a like. And also write your feedback in the comments if this video helped you, or if you have any questions. Thank you. In this video, I want to show and tell you how to disable comments on your posts on Facebook. That is, you have a post, there is an option to create leave comments, and no one can leave comments under this post except your friends. How to do it? Everything is very simple for this. You go to Facebook, then you will need to put some post. Let me write, for example, "Hi." Now we will need to click on the button. Friends or here can be written anything and put the post you public. That is to turn off comments under the post in Facebook you post must be published in the public, that is in general access. You click ready, click next and click share. Here you click your post, and now in order to connect comments in it you click here 3 dots, then here you click who can comment on this post, and here you select the item friends and click ready. After that your comments are closed, and now only those people who are your friends can comment on your post, so it's nothing complicated this way. If you have an old post there in the same way, click 3 dots who can comment on the post, and here you select friends, and after that comments are disabled. But if your post was published only for you, that is while your account was closed, you will not be able to close comments in it. In order to close those comments, if your post was published in closed access, you press 3 dots, then edit post, and you will need to select here public or whatever it says on top, and instead of only me put public, you press done, save, and after that you can do everything exactly the same. Press dots who can comment on this post, and here you turn off comments. As you can see, this is a very simple and quick way. Done. There is nothing complicated. If you like this video, put likes and subscribe to the channel, and also watch other useful videos on the channel. That was Phone Support. Bye bye. See you later.